Zongo and welcome to Part-3 TK. So this session is the continuation of my previous session and the link is given in the description. So we were solving multiple choice questions from BHSEC mathematics and let's look at the next question. Is A said to be invertible if it is a non-similar matrix, and we have the property A times A inverse is equal to I. Now just find determinant on both the sides, meaning determinant of A times A inverse is equal to determinant of I. Yes, and this we can write as determinant of A times determinant of A inverse, and determinant of I, that is identity matrix, is always equal to 1. And now we are asked to find the determinant of A inverse. That's right. So just keep A inverse, determinant of A inverse here, and take this determinant of A to the other side, and we are getting determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant of A, and the correct option is option D, that is 1 over determinant of A. Find the angle. As soon as we are told that we have to find the angle, we should know this relation tan theta is equal to modulus of 2 times h square minus A times B divided by A plus B. So we have this relation. Now in this equation, this is the equation of the pair of straight lines. So here you can just remember the general equation of the pair of straight lines, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2f y plus c is equal to 0. So this is the general equation of the pair of straight lines. Now just see what are the values of A, h and b and just substitute here. So this is equal to, if you look at this equation, then we have root of, here in place of h, since we do not have x, y here, so h is 0, so that is 0 square minus now A, B. So in place of A we have 3. So 3 times, so in place of B we have minus 1. B is the coefficient of y squared. So minus 1 divided by, this is 3 minus 1. So which is equal to modulus of 2 root of square root of, here it is minus times minus is plus, so root of 3 divided by 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Just cancel this 2 and we have, so theta is equal to tan inverse root 3. So tan inverse root 3 is equal to pi by 3. And again the answer is option B. In order to solve this question, just keep this y square minus 4y in the left hand side. So it is y square minus 4y, and take the other terms to the right hand side. So it is 4x minus 16. Now what you have to do is, so here if we divide this 4 by 2, then what we will get is, the answer is 2, right? So what you can do is, just write it 4y and just add the square of that number, that is, that here in this case we got negative 2. The square of negative 2 is 4. And this 4 you also have to add on the right hand side, right? So here mathematically we are correct. Now if we look at this polynomial, this is just the expansion of y minus 2 the whole square is equal to, here 4x, this negative 16 plus 4 is negative 12. That is y minus 2 the whole square is equal to, take 4 out and we have x minus 3. So from here we know that vertex is it is 3, 2. So here how did I know this? So here if we have y minus k the whole square is equal to 4 times x minus h, then in this case h and k are the, hk is the vertex. So here in place of h we have 3 and in place of k we have 2, and let's see the correct option. The option out here again is option D. So as soon as we are see that the curve is generated about y-axis, we know that volume Vy is equal to pi times y equal to a to y equal to b x square dy. Remember this, right? And now here we are given that y is equal to x square plus 1. From here this implies x square is equal to y minus 1, right? Now out here these limits are from x to x, but here we need to substitute from y equal to a to y equal to b. Now at x equal to 1, y will be equal to, just substitute 1 here, it will be 2. And at x equal to 2, y will be equal to 2 square plus 1, that is 5. Therefore, Vy, that is volume about y-axis, is equal to pi times, here in place of a it is 2 to 5, and x square that we have got is y minus 1 dy. Now to just integrate this one, right? So pi, take it out, and integration of y is y square divided by 2 minus integration of 1 is y. And just put the limit, that is from 2 to 5, right? 2 to 5. Now when we substitute this limit, what we get is it is 5 square divided by 2 minus 5 minus 2 square divided by 2 minus 2, which is equal to pi times 5 square is 25, so 25 divided by 2 minus 5, and this part it is 0, so which is equal to pi times this 25 divided by 2 minus 5 is out here 2 times 5 is 10, just subtract 10 from 25, you will get here 15 divided by 2, which is equal to 15 divided by 2 pi cubic unit. So product by product moment method, R, that is coefficient of correlation, is equal to sigma dx dy divided by root of sigma dx square times root of sigma dy square. Now since we have this formula or this relation, so just construct the table accordingly. Okay? So here, so we have x, y. Now here we need dx. So dx is nothing but it is x minus x bar, meaning mean of the x series, and dy is similarly y minus y bar. Okay? Y minus y bar. To save this space, I am not writing that one. Now just multiply dx dy, because we have dx dy here, and we also need, as per the relation, we need to find square of this dx and square of dy. So if we find this many things, then we just have to substitute the values in the relation. Okay? So x, just write down 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Y is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. If you add this, it is, I think, 10, 20, 30, right? And here it is 25. So mean out here is how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6, 30 divided by 5 is 6. So out here the x bar is 6, meaning x bar is 6 and y bar is 5. Is 5, right? Now just find dx. So x minus 6 meaning 2 minus 6 is negative 4. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. Similarly, here 2, here 4. Then dy, 7 minus 5, it is 2. 6 minus 5, it is 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then 4 minus 5 is negative 1. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. So dx dy, meaning just multiply this 2. So it is negative 8, this is negative 2, this is 0, this is negative 2, this is negative 8. Right? And we also need to add to these things. So it is negative 20, right? Negative 20, yeah. Then dx square. So dx square of negative 4 is 16. Then square of negative 2 is 4. Square of 0 is 0. This is 4. This is 16. Then we also have to add this. So 16 plus 16, 32. Then plus 8, it is 40, right? Then dy square. So we have to square these things, okay? So it is 4, then this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 4. So 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10. So this is 10. Now just substitute these things. So here we have negative 20 divided by root of 40 times root of 10, which is equal to negative 20 divided by 20, which is equal to negative 1. And our correct option is option B. Tan inverse root 3 minus secant inverse negative 2 is equal to, now we have to find the value, right? So let's write this down. So it is tan inverse root 3 minus secant inverse negative 2. So this is equal to, so if we rewrite this one, it is tan inverse root 3 minus, this can be written as secant inverse minus 2 can be written as pi minus secant inverse 2. Okay? This relation, I think you know it. So it is secant inverse, or I'm not explaining. Hope you know this relation. I consider that you know it. Now this is equal to, so this is equal to tan inverse root 3 minus pi plus secant inverse 2, right? Now let's say we're assuming we want to change this secant to tan, okay? So then theta is equal to secant inverse 2. Then secant theta is equal to 2, wasn't it? That is it. So this is, if I write 2 by 1, then this implies that cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Now from Pythagoras Theorem, okay? So if I write here, so theta, if this is theta, then if it is cos, we have this one, ka, means cos is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent out here is 1 and hypotenuse is 2. And if by using the Pythagoras theorem, you will get this as root 3. So if cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, then we are getting tan theta is equal to, tan again is equal to TOA, TOA thing over here. So TOA. So that is opposite divided by adjacent. So opposite out here is root 3 and adjacent is 1. Right? Then theta is equal to tan inverse of root 3. Okay. Now, just what you can do is, let me write here down. Oh, sorry. Anyways, so here what we have got. So these things now substitute here. If I say this is 1, right? So 1 is equal to tan inverse root 3 plus, sorry, it is minus tan inverse root 3 minus pi plus tan inverse root 3. So tan inverse root 3 plus tan inverse root 3 is 2 tan inverse root 3. Minus pi is there. So this is equal to 2. Then this one, tan inverse of root 3 is pi by 3. So it just times, say, pi by 3 minus pi. So which is equal to, so it is 2 pi divided by 3 minus pi. So which is equal to, so it is 2 pi minus 3 pi divided by 3, that is minus pi divided by 3. Let's see whether we have minus pi divided by 3 in the option or not. So yes, we have. So option is, correct option is option B. It is minus pi divided by 3. So write the given equation, that is x plus 2y minus z. This 4, take it to the other side. So it is positive 4, right? Now to change to the intercept form, just what you have to do is you divide throughout by this 4. Okay? So if we divide this equation by 4, then this is equal to, this implies it is 4, sorry, x divided by 4 plus 2y divided by 4 minus z divided by 4 is equal to 1. Right? So this implies it is x divided by 4 plus y divided by 2 minus z divided by 4 is equal to 1. And the intercepts are nothing but this are the intercepts. Okay, these are the intercepts. So this implies intercepts are 4, 2, and here we have negative in the front, remember. So it is negative 4. Let's see whether we have it in the option or not. So it is 4, 2, negative 4. 4, 2, negative 4. So correct option is option C. Now, as soon as we have the questions from this section, the things that you have to remember is, just remember this relation. 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. There is one relation that you have to remember. Another relation is omega cube. Okay, if this, what we say, the exponent or power is multiple of 3, then omega to that power is always equal to 1. Okay, with these two relations, now let's try to solve this problem. Okay, so it says 1 plus omega cube is equal to, so from this first relation, so we can write this as a omega minus of omega square. So 1 plus omega, if you take this omega square that side, it is minus omega, right? Omega square. So cube is still here. This is equal to, this we can write as omega cube to the power of 2. Meaning 2 times 3 is 6. Again, 3 times 2 is still 6. Right? We can write like this, isn't it? So again, this is equal to, minus is there, and omega cube is equal to 1. Right? 1 square, which is equal to square of negative 1 is 1. So our option is our correct option is option C. Here, the required number of ways, or it is just a combination. Okay? Required number of ways is equal to the combination of n things when one or more things occurs is equal to 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay? But here in place of n we have 5. So it is 2 to the power 5 minus 1. It is equal to 2 to the power 5 is 32 minus 1 is 31. And the correct option is C. Okay? Or this, you also can find that this is like solving one or more questions. Means it is one or more questions. So out of 5 questions, you can solve only 1. Or out of 5, you can solve 2. Or out of 5 you can solve 3, or out of 5 you can solve 4, or out of 5 you are solving all the 5. So solving one or more questions. This will also give us the answer 31. Hope it is clear. Thank you and trust Tele. And as always, please wear masks, stay home, stay safe, and let's fight coronavirus together. Thank you.